Hello everyone, first of all let's check the inspirational picture from Pinterest. Look at this picture. Today I'm going to make the backdrop decoration like this with the material I have. This decoration very popular on event decoration. The come out is very pretty, very gorgeous. Look at this. And this. It's very easy to make, and the come out is very elegant, beautiful. Okay, now let's go. The first step is put on the backdrop fabric. It's very simple, so I don't show you the detailed procedure on this video. Let's just skip to the next step. The next step, we need to add the another pole, another tail on this stem, because our stem is the most simple one, just one pole, one tail on the top, but our design need two tail, so we need to add another pole, another tail by using this material. I will show you the detail. The procedure will be very simple. Just use a string to tie this accessory on the stand will be okay. Okay, after you tie two of this accessory on two ends of the stand, then you can tie the pole on the stand, so you can make durable durable tube of the stand. Okay, then let's add the pole on the stand. There's a hole on the stand, so I just tie it. Okay, completed. So our stand, only one tail on the top was changed to durable tail stand. Okay, I will show you the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect. So by using this method, you can make durable tube or triple tube on the top. Okay, then let's put on the fabric. Then we will put on our net fabric. Very simple. Just hang it on the tube. Will be okay. I will put other panels of the net fabric on the top. Okay, look, I put 4 panels of the net fabric on the tube. The next step, let's just spread the fabric and then grab 2 ends of the fabric, because I'm holding the camera, holding the phone. It's not convenient. Just grab the fabric and then tie with the string on this plate will be okay. I will show you the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect after I sorted the fabric. There's a little tip we can share you. Since our net is transparent, if you want to cover the color of the tube, you can red fabric. The color same as the net will be okay. Red fabric on the tube before you put on the net. And also 2 panels of the net, so you can use one fabric to step on another one so they can hold each other, so the fabric will not move and show out the tube. Just use the fabric step on another one so they can hold each other. This is the little tips I can share with you. Okay then, let's set up the pedestal stand. Okay then, let's assemble the pedestal. Since I already took a tutorial to show you how to assemble the pedestal step by step. If you are interested, you can click here to watch the tutorial. So I don't repeat the procedure on this video. Let's just watch the footage I cut from the old tutorial. Okay, look, this is the effect after I put on the pedestal stand in front of the backdrop. Okay, let's skip to the next step to make the flower arrangement and put them on the pedestal. About the container, you can use the glass wrap, but we will use our plastic stand. We have gold and silver color. Okay, let's make the flower arrangement. Put the container and put a floral foam on the container. There are some spikes here on our plastic stand so it can well hold the flower foam. Okay, the following will be very simple. Just put the flower head on a stand and insert on the flower foam. Will be okay. We also have some greeny. Since I already take a tutorial to show you how to make the flower arrangement, if you are interested, you can check my old tutorial. Okay, look, this is our flower arrangement. I removed the leaf because I think using all flower on this design will be better. Okay, let's put it on the pedestal and check the effect. Okay, the flower arrangement, very beautiful. For your information, we supply all the material used on our tutorials. Look our flowers. Our flower is very pretty. Right? And then also the pedestal, the fabric. We supply all material used on our tutorial. Okay then, let's check the whole effect. Okay, look, this is the effect. Look, the effect is very pretty. In fact, our stand is very small, but this idea will be much more suitable for large project. So if your backdrop is taller than our backdrop, you can use taller pedestal, and then use glass wax to make the flower arrangement taller, or a lot of people will add some light on the top of the displays of the fabric, so the come out will be very beautiful, very elegant. Okay, this is the tutorial I want to show you. This idea is very easy to make, but it come out very beautiful, and it will be much more suitable for large backdrop decoration. If you use the idea for a large backdrop event, the come out will be much more gorgeous, very beautiful. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Please kindly don't skip the advertisement when you're watching my video, because I could got revenue from YouTube and buy more material to make more video. Okay, thank you for your watching. Thank you for your support. Bye.